A reggae music thing, a Kuzikk thing, It's true pleasure to be here as we mark the launch of what Kuzikk's highly anticipated EP, HotWata. You understand? Music has a unique ability to touch our hearts, inspire our minds, and bring people together. And tonight is a testament to that power.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tough crowd, music crowd, listen. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone, and this is on behalf of Steve. Welcome to Kuzikk's HotWata EP presentation. I'm sorry I couldn't be here to share this experience with you all. You know what I mean? Because just remember I deliver it the way Steve would have delivered it. You know what I mean? Alright. As I'm on the other side of the globe tonight, putting in the work, same way. Desi, let me tell you the truth that God loves. You see that crowd there?
We need that reading. Them need some music.
Just start a little reading there.
Yeah, man.
Start a
little.
Or you're coming in with a bang.
Rodney, sing. Them go DJ.
If you sing them. Yo, me no book for that. MC, big up yourself.
Thank you so much, thank you so much. Yo, yo, yo! Hey! You know what the thing goes. Good night. Bang, bang, bang. Oh yeah. Good night, everybody, how you doing? Welcome to the Kuzikk experience, you know what I mean? You don't know the thing goes. We stand for the culture, where you say, come on? So once the HotWata EP launch, Kingston, Jamaica, the 16th of August, 2023. Are you ready? I can't hear you, are you ready? Badam, 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 oh! So we go stand up firm, very different from the culture. And we don't take no time from the imposter. We never bow to political pressure. Very, and we go stand up firm. So we never know intention. We take that choice and now totally center. If I'm not power, we then defeat it. Burn. Kuzikk, the problem plays.
Come on here, we used to
In the whole thing.
people that are like around here to put yourself from work.
Yo, you see the hearing and the sharing that is in our blood. Everywhere we go, we teach everyone love. Wanna make the love people look how we see us like the two.
We not far from it, you know,
We see where back stand up firm. When we are different people, and we don't take no time from no imposter. We never bow to political pressure. Burn. And we go stand up firm. So come the clear and no intention. We take that choice and not totally center. If you're not power, we benefit it. Burn. And we never play with it. Because of the good for them. Play with it. It is the sense of the people don't play with it. Play with it. So take the culture and alter. Come in now, play with it. Because of the good for them. Play with it. It is the sense of the people don't play with it. Play with it. Protect the culture and alter. You see the world where we live in and it's full of streets. It's all right. Sell out the brother just to get ratings.
you say you're so humanity, I'm next to you and dash you walk.
They couldn't come in them road. Just put the right people got the power on. They got the light in the woman and not calling. Just the lightning. We not feel that if it has why we stand up firm. When we are the great people, and we talk from no imposter. Never bow to political pressure. Burn, burn, and we go stand up firm. So come the devil no intention. Reject that church and now so to the center. You know how what the enemy did. Burn, burn, burn. Stand up firm. Where you know you go? Where's the camera? You see that one, you know? I'm going to test the crowd, you know. How you see that one, yeah? In your oldies but goodies. You understand? We're paying tribute to the elders then. Culture, Joseph Culture, you have the group Culture. I remember. We're just warming up the bodies and then get into the meat of things. Even though we are vegetarian. Where's the go? Bang, 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 bang. The girl want, Mr. She want. Hey, pull it out of the car. Turn up here. Are you feeling out there? Bang, 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 bang. Kuzikk. Hey, rock and come in. Anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want, me say she want. I tell her anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Boy, anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Me say she want. I tell her anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Don't think about her, she want things. Where's the show? iPhone, she love her Galaxy. Hot tobacco, she want glass food. Anyway, she see the Rasta, man, she want. You say her anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Me say she want. I tell her anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Boy, anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Me say she want. I tell her anyway, she see Rasta. This girl want money. Me can't tell you something. One day morning come. She upset. I say she upset. Tuesday morning come. She not turn up at all. She not turn up. Wednesday evening come. I eat a little fresh. Thursday morning come. She not turn up at all. This world's gonna need it. Friday morning come when I'm about to get my pay. See I love put that stretch out in of it. Whoa, anyway, she's the Rasta. This girl want money. She want. I tell her anyway, she's the Rasta. This girl want money. Boy, anyway, she's the Rasta. This girl want money. She want. I tell her anyway, she's the Rasta. This girl want money.
Anyway, Mr. Rasta, me want money. Anyway, Mr. Rasta, me want money. But guess what? That's right. Anyway, them see Christian, they want love you.
That's a good.
Just anyway, them see Christian, they want love you.
Come and tell us something. Come and say anyway, them see the tall man, them such a them hand. Come and say anyway, them see the tall man, them such a them hand. Monday morning come. She upset. Tuesday morning come, she not turn up at all. She not turn up. Wednesday evening come, I would eat a little fresh fry. Thursday morning come, she not turn up at all. But it's a Friday morning come, when I'm about to get my pay. See, I don't put that stretch out in on it. What's not this time? How you feeling? Cool, Johnny Cool, you'd have been doing your solo career. Kamau, you'd have been doing your solo career. Chrissy, you'd have been doing backing vocals for some notable artists. When you got together, why did you think it would be a good fit? Come on, why you thought getting together after such a career in music, you'd think it's a good fit?
Say it succinctly and briefly. It was just a synergistic energy that we could not ignore, sir.
Man,
okay?
Yes. Them want me about the big word them.
Yeah, man. You see the school up at Old Road, sir?
Yeah.
Jamaica College.
Yeah, them teacher.
We never school class.
Alright. See? Yes, I.
So, me I said that to say, the vibes just right. It's like how the vibes nice now.
Yeah.
And it's like how we just have a role like it's just automatic.
Yeah.
I really circle between I and the princess and the queen.
Yes.
Not the princess, a queen. Sorry.
Queen of Kuzikk.
Queen. It's just automatic. I'm not say that because we're up on stage now. I say that because the real thing, we just work together and it work.
Alright, so hold on now. Cool Johnny Cool, you are a DJ. I want you to sing.
You see them two people here? Yo, listen, them drill me, you know? Yeah, man. One whole day, me have to learn one whole note. I mean, I tell you, say, I know, but you don't see what I go.
It'll work. It'll work.
Sure.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you'd have heard a single that they would have released several years ago. We don't start touch HotWata yet, you know. We don't touch HotWata yet. Kuzikk, you ready to give them a little bit of HotWata?
Yes, man.
You ready to give them HotWata?
Footprint, you ready? No, sir, that not sound like we're ready. Footprint, are you ready? All right, send it. Come on, ladies. Listen.
Do you still hate butterflies for me? Does your heart skip a beat or two? 'Cause I'm still little beat for you. The roses in my garden, I'm the chocolate on your lips. Sweet love is all I need from you. Yeah.
Forever my lover, take what you desire. I'm giving you the best of me.
No one could ever replace you.
The way you hold me and touch me,
It's just you and me.
Baby girl.
so let us fly away on the wings of love to a place where only eagles soar. Here I will show you love like never before. Of this feeling I could never have enough.
You say no, well, for the best you give me, well, I the best you want. Me got to tell me still love you, I'm straight with it. Me not forget the good times, every day me reminisce. What have I seen on my belly from the first time? With this, no take no text, no take no pen. From no one, no take no card. Me love, but we are still burning like a short baby girl. I will be loving you, no matter what we do.
So let us fly away on the wings of love to a place where only eagles soar. Where I will show you love like never before. Of this feeling I could never have enough.
Listen up, baby love. Hey.
Do you still get butterflies from me? Does your heart skip a beat or two? 'Cause I'm still out of heat for you. You are the roses in my garden, and I'm the chocolate on your lips. Sweet love is all I need from you. Yeah.
Forever my lover, take what you desire.
I'm giving you the best of me. No one could
Ever replace you,
the
when
way
you
you
hold me and touch me.
It's just you and me.
Baby girl.
Let us fly away on the wings of love to a place where only eagles soar. Where I will show you love,
Come on.
like never
Cool on, take it out.
before. Of this feeling,
Come on. Some ladies in that crowd, you know. I say when them come in and them see the natty, and you look nice and look good, and the girl them say what they like how the natty look, you know. So why you sing the song, you see the part there? Sing it to the ladies. Ladies, are you there? Alright. Sing the part there again for ladies there.
hold on. Ladies, talk to me now how me look tonight.
Why the rest are feeling selfie?
Waiting. Man, I'm waiting. I know the thing feeling. It feel good. Ladies, listen. So let us fly away on the wings of love to a place where only eagles soar. So let us fly away on the wings of love to a place where only eagles soar. Where I will show you love like never before. Of this feeling I could never have enough, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
How is sounding
Hold
guys?
on. Come on. Do better than that. Footprint! Alright.
Wow, you know, let me tell you something. I can't see, but there are some really beautiful people in the audience tonight.
Yeah, man.
Thank you all guys for
I
coming.
remember, it's Kuzikk EP launch, HotWata launch, okay? But we're keeping it real. We're not doing like...
Tell me something, my friend.
Eh.
How the water step?
W-A-T-A.
We never
Yeah,
saw
we never
water
saw
in. I know water. A water.
Come on, they want to say hot water. No, sir, so like you have water in our mouth and it's not hot. Hot water. Alright.
Right now we're going to take things to reggaeton, is it?
Listen.
Once in Scott, as the wickedness is together, Kingston, Jamaica, the place where Reggae and Style was birthed, y'all. From the 1960s, this is Reggae Town. Check it.
So in love with this reggae sound. When you
Hands up,
Listen now. Cool Johnny Cool.
Yes, sir.
You see when good music are play, you see when artists are perform, and people are full joy the presentation. Me like to encourage them. So, you see earlier when you say everywhere she see you, she want money. Me go take some of that money there. You see the lady in the yellow right as well, when that dance to the tune, you have to go spend something at the bar. You see my friend Daniela over there so, when that dance to the tune, you have to go spend her money upon her. You see all of the other people them, you don't need to go spend some money at the bar because you don't know wake up yet. You don't wake up yet? You not sure you don't wake up? You don't know wake up yet, Rasta. Now listen, you're obviously not just presenting your own music, but you're students of the music. You've paid homage to Rocksteady. You pay homage to Ska. That was Ska, ladies, and you don't recognize that Ska that don't. So the clap them for do a good Ska tune, no man. For represent for the culture, no man. For stand up for the culture, no man. Come on, man. So, talk to me now. Why do you think it's necessary to pay homage to where the music are forward from?
Well, if you don't know where you come from, you don't know where you're going. That's right. Yes. So we are students of the music. We are students of the culture. And so it is mandatory that we pay homage to people like Culture, Burning Spear, Marley, Tash, Wailer. We could go on and on and on because really and truly, let me take off my glasses. Take it off. We don't just present an EP writer, so we are break ground into something that is brand spanking new. We're serious about the culture, Footprints Cafe. We're very, very serious about the culture. And I don't want to get too political because I see some infringements and going, but for another time. We're going to defend the culture because we mean it. The culture of Jamaica is what put Jamaica on the map. So if we not defend it, what we are doing? So we must pay homage to the ones.
Now, this EP, I've had the pleasure of listening to it. You understand? It's an EP of diverse presentations. We hear a little soul, we hear a little R&B. We have 3 more tracks we're going to give you in quick succession. Tell me a little thing about the music, where we're about to hear, and the inspiration behind the music.
Come in, Queen.
Well, this one is called Chains and Pens.
Yeah.
And right now we speak for the youths, and the youths come. And where the music is at right now, we can show them that you can do music on whatever genre you choose and keep it clean. So this one is called Chains and Pens, and we're here for black people. So listen.
And listen, them are trying to start back the old slavery something again, but them are coming in a different form. But you see, We are saying never again. Let me hear say never again. Now say I sound like we love slavery. Never again. Alright. Change it then. Send it.
Music, arts, culture. These are things we hold very near and dear to our hearts. But there's one other thing that we're truly passionate about, and that's freedom. We live in freedom for men, women, boys, and girls. And guess what? That's what our music ultimately represents.
Schoolboy, you ready? They wanna put us in chains and pins. Ooh, yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again. Yeah. They wanna put us in chains and pins. Come on! I see they wanna start slavery all over again. Listen, listen, listen. All kind of guns, cocaine by the tons, paradise to plantation, nowhere in the sun. Fighting for survival.
See the blood run.
They gonna see the blood run, I see the knots and the days. Our take when it's praise, generational trauma won't go away, huh? Mama miss you, testify to life, trust your God and never listen. What's the end this? So you pop it off and you beam out and just I wanna know. When I talk up to the father was the same, no man I lifted up.
Turn I'll forget.
Talk to me.
The reason I am here.
Yeah.
Lost all hope for a better way. Still lost on my brains, feel better day. A prisoner behind my door. You don't want to see no more. Like the way we live in. But like I feel black away you know.
Don't wanna put us in chains and
Can't work again.
yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again.
Never again.
Make you wanna start
They
soon.
wanna put us in chains and
Say it.
ooh, yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again. Yeah, yeah.
Powerful people, pimping the boys, profit from ignorance, the wicked government. I see them old slaves, don't want to really change. Can't be business as usual for another century. I see them, I don't think you must be crazy. I'm gonna let time rain, so let this other place burn corruption from out of them high place. And give me liberty, I give them love.
For tomorrow, they wanna put us in chains and
Never work again.
yeah, yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again.
Mad them mad.
Like they wanna
Hey,
start
they
soon.
wanna put us in chains and oh yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again.
It's it. Can't work.
I see they wanna start slavery all over again. Burn, they wanna put us in chains and ooh yeah. They wanna start slavery all over again. Ooh yeah. I see they wanna start slavery all over again. No, they wanna put us in chains again.
No matter how they put it.
I see they wanna start slavery all over again. It look like we do some rehearsal, don't it?
Listen. Also, white was always right. That's why they talk about black post, black mail, black market. It's like a black belt target. Kuzikk, teach them what go on the world right now. They should know this. It's true black here. It's true black here. It's true black here. That's why I'm more black. We are here. First, if we don't know black, stand back. Stand back. Black are the first creation. Trust that. We survive somebody else's foundation and top. So we put more black in them dream, make them dream. If you deny your blackness, straight back. Black is the word foundation of heart. This is a black king, I am a black king with my black queen. My legacy is black royal offspring. It's too black here. It's too black here. It's too black here. That's why I'm more black, we are the them one. It's too black here. It's too black here. It's too black here. That's why I'm more black, we are the them. Black Hawaiian will always be. No more than can't easy black history. If you're proud to be black, stand tall. Blessing come down when the black rain a fall. Them go take me from a place far, and them take away we name brown star. Them think we who we know who we are. Them say them win the battle, but how we win the war.
They just a lyrics of frequency. I'm so royal, more like Regency. Honey, them up on any fancy. But people better wake up and see. It's you have the power. We will live this way for a reason. Tell them to move with them political warfare. I ask them true to myself. Me black, come up, you take all me and trouble let the book on me on your deep. Can't stress that you know. Me and them on the road. Mommy not change for you.
It's too black
Yeah.
It's too black here. It's too black here. That's why I'm more black, we are here. It's too black here. It's too black here. Take it on, school man. It's too black here. Footprint. That's why I'm more black. If you're proud to be black, let me see some hands. Give me a look wave. Give me a look wave, man. If you're proud to be black, come on, man. And listen, I want to help Kuzikk sing the one, so we want to sing it and then pull the time. Alright? It's too black here. It's too black here.
Can I hear ya?
It's too black here. That's why I'm more black. We are here. It's too
Too black here. It's too black here.
That's why I'm more black. We are here.
It's too black here.
Talk to them, Kuzikk.
Oh yeah. Me too black here.
That's why I'm more black. We are here. Too black here. It's too black here. It's too black here. That's why I'm more black. We are here. We're going to party a little bit.
They say it's about time to get
Listen.
feet moving.
Listen, come on.
Just wanna move.
Hey.
La 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 la, you need a groove. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
Hey. Tonight they look trendy, and they want rock steady. We've got sweet reggae music. It's all accusing music. And from a jam down you party, then the rhythm you have there. So if your baby alone, groove with the one right there, sing. Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move.
Hey, hey.
Ooh la 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 la, give me the groove.
What up?
Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
Put me back. Recharge with the energy. Break the music loud. And the melody, Japanese melody. Give no less the money. Bring it up on the top. And the drink to come to the island with the brightest sun. Big boom, everybody wants some. No bread, just let the divine can dance. Things on them, nobody can talk.
Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move. Ooh la 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 la, give me the groove. Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move.
Go so.
Ooh la 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 la, give me the groove. Ooh la 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready. Rock with it, wine with it, shake with it. Tell me your body move, girl, I just want to dance it. Fun time, which I mean and you dance it. Rock it to the beat like we home romantic. We got the night to waste away. Listen to the beat of sweet reggae. Body to me body, I got me say. Go so, and lead the way.
La 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 la, just wanna move.
Go so.
La 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 la, give me the groove.
What up?
La 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
La 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 la, just wanna move.
What up?
La 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 la, give me the groove. La 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready. Flash up your light up. Turn on your phone. Party's going on. Just keep on rocking. Are you ready?
La 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 la, just wanna move.
Hey, hey.
La 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 la, give me the groove.
Go so.
La 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 la, just wanna move.
What up?
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
La 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 la, just wanna move.
What up?
Right now. La 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 la, give me the groove.
Hey.
La 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 la, just wanna move. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Kuzikk, ready.
I just wanna move. Everyone. I just wanna move.
I know you are move. I'm going to have two left foot.
I just wanna move. I just wanna move.
Oh, no, see them wind up. Yeah. Oh, you feel it?
When I feel the presentation a while ago, like how me feel the presentation. I'm not sure about that because them start off with chains and pens. And them take me in one place. And me start make certain things. Them come with what? When them come with after that, let me see who that listen. When them going after chains and pens? Too black. And they take you one next place, don't? And then all of a sudden them want to forget all of that and start party with them. How that work? No, them a go on good. If them a go on good, make some noise. If them a go on good, make some noise. Listen, there is word, sound, and power, and clearly, Kuzikk appreciates that. And you take the music serious. You give words of encouragement and words of upliftment. That's the journey of reggae music. You agree with that, sir?
Them say all work and no play. Make Jack a dull boy.
See,
So after we got chains and pens and burn that, I would say we're too black for them, that means that we assert to black self. Then, we have to free up a little bit.
yes, celebrate.
Yeah.
I remember now, you know. You see the dancer, you see the queen. She body no, but she don't want to step out, you know.
I'm shy, guys.
She said she's shy.
But there's no shyness to the music.
Never.
And there's words.
Roddy,
Yes, sir.
let me cut you for a minute.
Talk to me.
When I'm on the stage, I kind of transform into a little, like a mini rebel, and then come over the stage, I'm just a little baby in the corner right there.
Yeah.
Johnny, how would you describe yourself? On stage, off stage, same person?
Humble, tall and handsome.
You notice what he said first?
Humble.
Big.
Hold on, hold
You
on.
can't miss him.
Well, so how you got humble and then tall and somebody that big up? Anyway,
Well-
come come on, how would you describe yourself on and off the stage?
Well, I'm the silent warrior.
See,
Yeah. I'm the silent warrior. That's it, that's about it. We're silent with what we are doing. But we're steadfast and we're focused and determined. Because it has come from 2018.
yes, sir.
Our Wata Bootcamp. And I want to tell you them something. I went Paris running at the pandemic, you know. The only time we are left students at the pandemic and police them on the road and we are afraid to them have a lockdown, but we believe in what we're doing and so we stood firm and here we are today. I dropped a 6-song EP named HotWata, and there's so much more to come, so we really thank the item for coming out. See, really and truly we appreciate the item turning up.
And listen, you see this group here, you want to know, say, we never know, say we are a group, you know. We never know, every
Yes,
day
I know.
we are part together, and it's energy right and everything, and everywhere we go and turn up, them and say, what the group name? I know group. Everywhere we go turn up. 1 year straight, people say where the group name, till one day, we decide, say, no man, we like put just a here. I will go home and say, no, well if the atmosphere and everything I put and the universe I put this group together, then we have to find a name and present ourselves to the world. Don't you agree? Yes man, so this is how Kuzikk come about. Whenever we put it together, the Almighty, so give thanks to the Almighty. You know?
Ladies and gentlemen, they have now presented the title track from the album, the EP, HotWata. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the title track, HotWata!
Yo! Kuzikk come around the world. Give me some more time for it. Yes!
Business and over everything. We never push it.
On the rhythm,
Turn up the dancehall brand new style, Ronaldinho.
Neymar,
On the promise we living. God in a sport mode walking with. From marijuana, you see the else which well clean. A camino, that mean. Do no silence.
stand attention, Kuzikk rise above.
Set it and no,
We never fire.
on a rebella, we can gorilla. Royalty, and no commoner.
The African there and the African queen. Step up on the scene and the wall of well clean. Three are we together, you we are the dream team. So we'll have one drink.
Hey, pull up now. Pull up now. Tempo. Come in, ladies. Bang.
Good friend.
Music. Oh, yeah.
Where's the
Gorilla business. We never push it. Turn up the dance hall brand new style, Ronaldinho.
Neymar,
On the promise
11. God in a sport mode walking with.
go marijuana. You see the else which well clean. A camino, that mean. Do not hide.
Stand attention, Kuzikk rise above.
Set it in,
We never fire.
on a rebellion, we can gorilla. Royalty, and no commoner.
The African there and the African queen. Up on the scene and the wall of well clean. We are together, yeah, we are the dream team. So all I want drink and we don't need. Then I go around the thing, this and a merry-go-round. Kuzikk represent
a vibe. Sick and a kick like a early grind. Dance to the pavement, then jump in a ride. Present a Jamaican from the jet to the sky.
See the ghetto youth, them a pretty money game.
Yeah.
That one day a budget of private plane. Upgrade this more than to the jump rate. $1 million here change. Hey, excuse it, it a go be a bam bam. Anytime we come out, dance up around. Mash up in the street, show them shake off me hand. Musically new time bomb. Boom, hot water, hot water. Hear the